Can I ask for a feather pillow? I like to sleep comfortably. You have new leads? Looks like we'll be working together again. In this darkness, my other senses seem to be heightened. You have new leads? Looks like we'll be working together again. You have new leads? Looks like we'll be working together again. Asking a prisoner for help. The LCBI must be quite short-handed lately. Are you curious about who I really am? Who am I to you? Am I just your subordinate? Or am I something more? Are you going to put it on for me? You'll need to come closer to do that. I can't really see, so it'll be difficult to move. Nothing is different. But as for someone special, hasn't she been in front of me this whole time? We're face to face. Do we really need to use a pager to talk? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder. It's the date we first met. What's the matter? I've already thought of the next question for you. It'll be something like whether or not that date holds any significance to me. The taste is... I can't really describe it. I mostly stayed at home, studying all the essential skills required of an heir. Oh, I also occasionally got kidnapped. Yeah, I just treated it as getting some fresh air. At the end of the day, it was a rare, legitimate excuse to go outside. The air in the LCBI building is too dry. The chairs are too hard, it's a little too chilly here, and today's lunch was too salty. You're also standing too far away from me. Thank you for giving me the chance to tell you my true feelings. Well, the job market is very competitive nowadays. Finding stable employment isn't easy. The more gigs you have, the less likely you'll be unemployed. Recently, I got my license as a prison security inspector. If I successfully break out of this place, a certain enforcer might have to say goodbye to her year-end bonus. Of course, this is a hypothetical situation. I don't actually plan to do that. Well, the job market is very the more... Yeah, barely anyone contacts me anyway. The only ones who reach out are health supplement salespeople. This is a warm, comforting fragrance. What I desire most, huh? I'm at your mercy if you use this against me. It's the pleasant scent I smell whenever I see you. Is this how you deal with disobedient subordinates?